wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back in the music lab and I hitting and smashing out. Yo, that mafia was good, man. I hope y'all feeling good. I hope y'all feeling good and enjoying your weekend, man. You know, the week about to start and everything. So I hope y'all start the week off right. And you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, guys, you see what we did you today. We're back in the music lab. Yeah, man, today we got the Spartan boss, Mr. Uncle D, man. Yeah, come on, this artist is no stranger to the channel, man. We always like to react to the Spartan boss. See me and say, yeah, man. So you should already know who we're talking about today. Yeah, we got none other than Tamale Sparta. Yeah, man, the Uncle D man himself. He's back in the music club today, and he gotta drop a song like a couple hours ago entitled Street Smart. We're gonna check it out and see what he's doing with today. The last what was the last song we reacted to from Tommy? The last song we reacted to was pretty late. You see me, it was also fun. The last thing we reacted to was actually his Sumfest performance, and he did pretty well at it. You know what I'm saying? We got more Sumfest reactions coming, guys. So guys, drop it in the comments if you still want to see more of it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, the last track we did from last video we did for Tamale was his Sumfest performance, and he did pretty well. You know what I'm saying? He did great performance. People loved it. He even had a little message at the end. So definitely know if you want to see the rest of the reactions, man. You know what I'm saying? And I believe the last song, not this performance, the last song we reacted to from Tamale was what? What was the last song we reacted to from Tamale? What was the last song we reacted from Tamale, gang? Yeah, man, the last song we reacted was Action Pack. Yeah, man, and he did Action Pack was also lit. And before that, we did the Ding Dong, and the song he did with Ding Dong. But it looks like Tamale's getting back on track, man. When he just came out, he dropped a lot of fun songs, a little, you know what I'm saying, like a partying song and everything, lightheartedness, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, we gonna check. We look like he's back on track with, you know, with all that gang some. So we want to see where my deal with today. You see me? So we're gonna check out this new song. This is Tamale Sparta, Street Smart. We're not gonna hold up the vibe much longer. Just let's get it. The boy no have nothing, so you sight him. Him no have no style like your sidekick shot. V18 out the Benz and the heart is Sparta boss. Boy, now no blow style and this time when I talk about gal. When I talk about gal, man a chick get tricked by gal. How I go on this? I don't know. Hiding. I'm on a waste man, so she hiding. On a doll pill, call it a styling. Me a roll neutral like hybrid. Man a waste man, so she hide him on a doll pill, call it a style. And you say if I heard the beginning, it sound like some man I get tricked by some girl, you know. You see me? Okay, so that's why I call Street Smart. When Street Smart, you can't get them style, I can't get pulled upon you. Okay. BVS, on my watch face shining dark. Me roll tough, some man roll soft. Them Street Smart, but man have heart. King girl see we and freeze and pan. Right, that's a she take it jaws off. Guns and dog. Yo, mean girl see man and pause all the right. That's a she take it jaws. Hey, Tamale back on his timing, man. Yeah, man, the Spartan boss is back, bro. He's back on his demon time shit. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. We no take time from this 110,000 man. Face look like the dog and time. Sweet recipe, some speed off gun. Guns and dog. The dog and time. From this 110,000 man. Face look like the dog and time. 3X beef. I told you, bro. You know what I'm saying? I told you when he just came out, bro. Family been dropping a lot of light-hearted partying, you know what I'm saying, music when he come out of jail just I guess to get off, you know, the manager. But now the man back on in demon time type shit, you know what I'm saying, on the dark, back in the darkness, you know what I'm saying, back on demon time, man. Dep on in galley thing, dep on in gangster thing, he's back to his old ways, you know what I'm saying, not his old ways, but basically his old vibe, give him that same rugged, tough energy, you know what I'm saying. You might put on some old thing that passed, but instantly, you know, and you bring back that energy, that feel that we use. Speed of time, 5.62, that knock hard. Can't pass round like backyard. Courage and dark, rise every demon. Killing with style, heart of war. Pull up in the Portmore, get a man say pull up.
Bomba every day, man. I want to heart of war, man. You I want to know, man. The dog. Give me tell her, dog is back to his old ways, back to his old vibes. Yeah, man. Even the beat, you can feel all the beat and the energy, the vibe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. This is the family we used to. Let's get it.
Drive, pull up in the B, I the same thing wrong. Man a rock star, man a rock star. Back one, back along, couple guitar. Dance and talk, we no take talk. From this 110,000 miles. Yes, look like the top and
Man said, done sound dark. I want to your friend this 10,000 man a rise up on them bumbo. I want to know, man. Yeah, man, Spartan boys, straight.
watch your wheels, speed off guard. Dance and dark, we no take talk. From this 110,000 miles. Yes, look like the top and tall. What the fuck them start?
They don't know where them start, man. Don't get the Spartan boss blow head chip, you know, man. Don't get it, don't make it darkness rise up, you know. I want to tell them. Knock it. The pinna boy back out here, dog. You see, dog, it's thing that had a seep chew clip. How am I seeing things, guys? They have a seep chew clip all extend up on the blood plate. Oh, go on. Yeah, man, seep chew clip on the bum, man. You see me? Yeah, man, Spartan boss back in that place, man. The vibes there. You see me? The energy non-stop. Sparta, that clean Mary. You see me with his savage here and diamond out. You see me out to the Sparta soldier them. Yeah, man. Family getting back to his old vibe, man. Glad to see it.
Put it down, flick back, and the flick back. When the tight cheek back, when the six up. When the 2-6 back, with the tick tock. Knock, with the knock clock. Drop top with the flop top. Drop top with the mock block.
Yeah, I mean, drop top with the mock block. I want to hear my youth. I want to now left, you know, anyway, we are rolling on.
Pull up on the man, take him like a laptop.
Look at man, him like a laptop. Easy, you know. Spartan boss is back at it. Yeah, man, so Uncle D, man himself, family, Sparta, yo. Yeah, man, dog, back to him always, back to his old energy, giving that old vibe, that vibe we used to, that we like so much from the Spartan boss. You see me? Yeah, man, we like that, man. The energy is dope. You see me? The energy is dope. The video is dope. You know, just everything, man. We just glad to see family back to himself and back to his own ways, man. We're loving it. We're glad to it and we're here for it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, guys. So definitely let me know what you think about. Think about that track, man. Go drop it where you like. Is it the beat, the melody, the lyrics, whatever it is, man? Drop it in comments. Let's discuss it. I'm gonna tell you from here to starting. I knew this was gonna be on some gal clone, like niggas. You know, niggas I get tricked, like, you know, some say, yo, I'm gal eyed. No, we not call it dolly. We call it. We not call it. Wait, dog say we not call it. We not call it dolly. We call it style. Yeah, man. It's just like, you know, yo. When the street smart, dog, certain things can't get pulled over. A girl can't trick you, youth can't trick you. You see me? Yeah, man. Now you're in the book side, people can bring certain things as well. So they have both has their benefits. So you're just telling you about when you're street smart, you know if you move and people can't pull certain tricks for you, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Real dope track, man. Family Sparta. Yeah, man. Back to his always. We enjoy that, guys. Definitely go ahead, drop a comments. Let me know what y'all thought about that, man. Yeah, see me, what was your favorite part? What is the beat, the melody, the lyrics, man? Come on, guys. And gang, man, drop the reactions. Do you want to see more reactions from me? Drop any reactions you want to see from me. Drop in the comment section. If you want to see comedy, any other thing other than music, let me know. But you don't know, it's a music channel and we love music, so definitely drop any music videos you want me reacting. I'm gonna get it done, guys. Help your boy out with the likes, man. Get the likes up. Help the channel grow. You know what I'm saying? Help us get up there. We're trying to get 10K. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna keep putting the work in, man. You know what I'm saying? So keep dropping the requests. I'm gonna keep getting it done for y'all. Let me know what y'all want to see. Let me know if you want to see more Reggae Sunfest reactions. Anything else if you want to see, you know what I'm saying? And trust me, the channel growing. More things in store. Interviews coming. All type of stuff. Chopping up with subscribers. All type of stuff, guys. And I've been slacking with the lives lately, so I do apologize. But yeah, more lives coming, more frequent. Yeah, we're gonna chop it up, man. So definitely look forward. Yeah, so definitely go and drop your comments in the comment section. If your request is chosen, you don't even gonna get a shout out, all that stuff. You don't know, guys. Till next time, it's your boy Jambisco. I was here tonight, hitting and smashing on banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.